If you want to join layers in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to combine layers depending on what you need to do. Whether you want to merge just 2 layers, combine a few selected layers, or flatten the entire project into one single layer, Photopea gives you a simple option for each one. So if you're editing a design, cleaning up your workspace, or preparing a final image, this will save you a lot of time. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about merge down. This is the method you use when you have 2 layers stacked on top of each other and you want to fuse the top one directly into the layer below it. On the right side of Photopea, look for the Layers panel. This is where every layer in your document is listed. Click the top layer in the pair that you want to combine. Once it's selected, right-click on that layer and choose Merge Down. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac. When you do this, Photopea will combine that selected layer with the one directly beneath it into a single layer. This is perfect for when you've added text, shapes, or adjustments and want to lock them together quickly. Now, if you want to join more than 2 layers, the process is just as simple. This time, go back to the Layers panel and hold down Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking each layer you want to combine. This lets you select multiple layers at once without touching the rest of your project. Once all the layers you want are highlighted, right-click on any one of them and choose Merge Layers. In many cases, you can also use the same Ctrl+E or Command+E shortcut after selecting them. Photopea will then combine those selected layers into one, while leaving any unselected layers completely untouched. This is especially useful if you only want to group certain elements together, like parts of a logo, a design section, or a photo composition. Finally, if you're completely finished with your design and want everything turned into one final image, you can use Flatten Image. This is the most complete option because it merges every visible layer, folder, and adjustment into one single flat layer. To do this, right-click any layer in the Layers panel and scroll down to the bottom of the menu. There, you'll see Flatten Image. Click it, and Photopea will collapse the entire document into one compressed background-style layer. Keep in mind, this is best used at the very end of your project because once everything is flattened, it becomes much harder to edit individual parts later. So if you still need flexibility, it's a good idea to save a copy before flattening, and that's really all there is to it. To recap, use Merge Down for 2 layers, Merge Layers for multiple selected layers, and Flatten Image when you want to combine everything into one final result. Once you know these 3 options, joining layers in Photopea becomes very fast and easy. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Photopea tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.